Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for a professional 8K camera drone, a beginner-friendly GPS quadcopter, or a lightweight travel drone under 249 grams, this list covers the best options available right now. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. L600 Pro Max GPS Drone. The L600 Pro Max is a professional-style drone featuring 4K HD dual camera, 3-axis PTZ gimbal, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. This drone is designed for stable aerial photography and long-distance flying. The 3-axis gimbal provides stable video footage, reducing shake during flight. GPS positioning helps maintain stable hovering and accurate return-to-home functionality. Brushless motors deliver smoother and quieter performance compared to brushed alternatives. Obstacle avoidance adds an extra layer of safety, especially for beginners. Pros: 3-axis stabilized gimbal, GPS and return to home, brushless motor efficiency, good value for 4K aerial shots. A solid choice for users who want stabilized 4K video and GPS safety features at an affordable price. Number 2. JCMO SX1 Drone. The JCMO SX1 drone is marketed as a professional drone with 8K camera recording, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, dual cameras, GPS positioning, brushless motors, foldable design, and 5G Wi-Fi transmission. The highlight here is the advertised 8K resolution and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. The foldable design makes it portable and travel-friendly. GPS improves stability and helps with return-to-home functions. Performance is impressive for its price range, but real-world video quality may depend on lighting conditions. Pros: 3-axis gimbal stabilization, foldable and portable, GPS-enabled, strong feature list for the price. If you want high-resolution marketing specs with solid stabilization and portability, this is a competitive option. Number 3. Xiaomi Mjia A1 R3S GPS Drone. The Xiaomi Mjia A1 R3S GPS drone offers 8K professional camera, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, optical flow positioning, foldable compact design, GPS support. This drone focuses on combining GPS stability with obstacle detection and optical flow technology. The foldable design makes it easy to carry. The brushless motors provide smooth and reliable flights. Laser obstacle avoidance improves safety during complex maneuvers. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance, GPS stability, foldable compact body, brushless motor performance. A good balance between portability, safety features, and GPS stabilization. Number 4. V168 Max Drone. The V168 Max Drone comes with 8K dual HD camera, 5G transmission, GPS positioning, 5-kilometer control range, brushless motors, and foldable design. The 5-kilometer range is one of its standout claims. The large-screen remote controller enhances the flying experience by providing a direct display without relying fully on a smartphone. Dual cameras allow different shooting angles. GPS ensures better hovering stability. Pros: long control range, large display controller, GPS return to home, brushless motors. If you want long-distance flying capability with a large display controller, this is worth considering. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight professional drone featuring under 249 grams weight, 4K camera, GPS positioning, 4-kilometer transmission range, single-axis gimbal stabilization. Designed for beginners and adults, being under 249 grams makes it easier to fly in many regions with fewer restrictions. The 4K camera delivers sharp footage, and GPS provides stable flight with reliable return to home. Although it has a single-axis gimbal instead of a 3-axis system, video quality remains solid for casual creators and beginners. Pros: lightweight under 249 grams, reliable GPS system, good 4K quality, beginner-friendly. If you want a travel-friendly, beginner-safe drone with strong GPS performance, this is one of the best balanced options. Best Stabilized Budget Drone,
L600 Pro Max. Best high-resolution feature package, JCMO SX1. Best safety and obstacle avoidance, Xiaomi Mjia A1 R3S. Best long-range controller experience, V168 Max. Best lightweight travel drone, Potensic Atom SE.